Hi everyone. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, the regular Sudoku of today's newspaper on Wednesday, May the 13th. This one is a medium Sudoku, the second one. So let's get started. All right. We have a 5 in this row, a 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And then in this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. I see here 7. No 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 8 is missing. And the 6 is missing. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. Here 6. No 6 there. Only one place for the 6 should be there. The 4 and the 8 are missing now. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, a 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there, 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Then the 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so on the row above, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so in the second column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 8. I need to wait for more information. How about this row? The 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 2, the 3, and the 4. The 2, 3, and the 4. The 2, 3, and the 4 in this row. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be that one. The 2 and the 4 are left. The 2 and the 4, we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And then these 3 boxes of this big square. The missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We have a 7 here, no 7 in these 2 boxes, 1 box left for the 7 should be there. The 4 and the 9 are missing. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only 1 place left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. Then let me see. These 3 boxes in this big square. The missing numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 9. I see here 3, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. The 1 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1. No 1 there, 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here. And now 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then these 3 numbers in the first row, the missing numbers are the 2, the 8, and the 9. I see here 2, so no 2 there. I see there an 8, so no 8 there. 1 digit left for the 9. Here we have the 8 and the 2, 8 and the 2. Remember that I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be here. 1 digit left in this middle column for the number 5, I believe. Yes, 5 is missing. Then how about the 3 in the last row, a 3 in the row above? So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3. No 3 there, 3 should be here. 1 digit left in this column, second column for the number 7. 1 digit left in this row for the number 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here. Then how about the 8 in this row, the 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. All right. For a Sudoku medium, it's, well, quite fast. Anyway, do you like this Sudoku medium? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want. Hit that bell icon if you want to be notified when I upload new ones on YouTube. Thank you again, and I will see you later with the last regular Sudoku of today's newspaper, a killer Sudoku. So thank you and bye bye for now. See you later.